Progressive.
What is up, y'all? My name is Shanique, and say hello to my little stubbies, baby. And we're about to get some grabbers on. So first off, I got my manicure kit from Dollar General. This was about $1. My Kiss nail glue from Family Dollar, but it was actually about $3. And my press-on set that I'll be using today. So this set was $3 too, that I also got from Family Dollar. This doesn't have a color, but it has like a product code. All of the details will be down below in the description box for these products. But first off, I'm going to file down these nails, honey. Okay, you see my little itty bitty nails? Like, I have very small nail beds, and I have to pretty much file my nail beds because of the previous application, my previous nail glue application, I guess. So, you know, there was like leftover glue on my nails, of course. So I had to take it off by filing my nails down to get rid of that hardened glue so my nails could be ready for a new application. And here, of course, I'm just getting the cuticle pusher from my manicure set and just pushing those cuticles all the way back. The cuticle pusher is what you need so your nails can look salon quality. So you have to push your cuticles all the way back, and even like at the salon, you know, when they get your cuticle all fixed up and stuff, you know, some dead skin be falling off. So some dead skin was falling off of my nails too here. So I was like, wow. So get that cuticle pusher pushing, and yeah, so your nails can look fly. Now I have baby powder in between I have baby powder in between my fingernails. No, not fingernails, my fingers, if you guys were wondering. Like, I'm not out here doing coke. But I got this alcohol, about to rub my hands together with alcohol before actually trying the nails. And for this particular press-on set from Kiss, the $3 ones, actually when you look underneath the nails, they all have numbers underneath. And it makes pretty much the nail application go much faster, because once you get like your first set of nails from this box, I guess, you can, you know, do what you usually do, make sure everything's like what I'm doing right here, pretty much taking your measurements, I guess, with your nails, just putting it onto your nails and, you know, just trying them out until you find the one that fits. I said get your measurements. Do your nail fittings is what I'm trying to say. Just fitting them onto your fingers and comparing the sizes together and trying to find my right size is what I'm saying. Why did it take me so long to say that? I'm just trying to find the correct sizes for myself. But anyways, after putting these nails on, like after a few days later, I realized that there were numbers underneath the nails, and I was like, oh shoot, so I had to write everything down, and I'll have a screenshot of my numbers, so whenever I get a new box or whatever of these Kiss press-on nails for like $3, I always go straight to like the numbers that I chose weeks ago and was like, oh my god, okay, so this nail, this number fits me the best for I guess my ring finger or thumb. So this is number 4. Oh, and this is my list right here. So I was getting the thumb nail pretty much, and thumbnail for me because I have small nail beds. It's oh, okay, number 3, not number 4. So number 3. So yeah, and honestly, I wanted to show y'all how I glue them, but I don't know, I was just out of frame. I was gluing them out of frame. I really was. And I was using this little nail glue from like a different nail kit, but this nail glue is not good. Like, just use the nail glue that I showed y'all. Kiss Stronghold from Family Dollar, or the Kiss. There's another Stronghold glue that's like blue and white, or blue and green glue. What's that called? Green blue? There's a specific name. Teal. Green and teal. So, yeah. So, back then, I guess in my last video, I would use, I guess, 2 drops of glue. Now, I use like 3 drops of nail glue. Okay? And they last me way longer now. So my nails really do last me longer nowadays because I've been adding more glue. And you know, I guess it makes a mess, but I don't know what I'm saying. You know, get the little cuticle pusher. Get the, not the cuticle pusher side, the wooden side, like the stick side, and just, what kind of accent just came out of me just now? But yeah, just wipe it off with the other side, like this, the pointy side. Yeah. So what else? So I'm just putting on my nails right now, although I'm out of view, sadly, but I'm putting them on. If you look closely, I actually have the nails that I need grouped together. Like all the ring fingers are together, the thumbs are together, pointers are together, based on that list that I created from the last time I did my nails. I guess the last time I did my nails, I did wear the orange. They were the orange ones. So, yes. And, ooh, maybe now y'all can see me. Yes, now you can finally see me putting it on. And wait 30 seconds, y'all. Wait at least 30 seconds before going on to the next nail. Glue it on. Put the nail on. Wait at least 30 seconds. Hold it and press it. Press and hold for at least 30 seconds before moving on to the next nail. I know that what I was, while I was filming this video, I was honestly, it was like 2 a.m. It was 2 a.m. Like, was it 2? No, it wasn't. It was 1 a.m. It was 1 a.m. I had Tony Gaskins in the background. I was like, oh my God, let me hurry up. Honestly, I could have done a better job with this nail application. I was like kind of rushing it, which is bad. And they did not last as long as they did, I guess, before, like with the orange nail application, because those lasted me a good while, and that was like the longest they ever lasted me. Well, for me, since I have small nail beds, they honestly don't, they never have like press-on nails have never lasted me 3 weeks or 4 weeks. I don't know what these YouTubers are talking about. Your nails can last 3-4 weeks with a certain kind of method. I've never seen that happen to me before. Tops, I would get a week. A week. All 10 nails are on and they good, okay, for a week. And that was like with the last nail application, okay? But since I was rushing this process, look at all this glue. You can see the glue on the sides. Okay, so there's one thing that I forgot to do. There's one thing that I forgot to do. I always forget to do this. When my nails are already glued on, that's when I remember I gotta do this. Cause like now when I look at it, you see this? There's like, with all press-ons, there's like some kind of extension that you have to honestly file down. Now this is probably another reason why they didn't last long too. Because right after I glued them on, I'm rubbing it with a nail file, trying to file the pointy part down so they don't look like press-on, so they can look like I actually got them done at a salon. So, oh shoot, this talking about my battery low. But yeah, honestly, this step is a step that you have to do right before you put on the nail. Like, right before it. But yeah, and then now you see the edges. The edges of the nails are flat, and they're good. Yeah, honestly, that's probably why these nails, that, I guess from that time, they didn't last me that long. I think they lasted me like 2 or 3 days. And they started falling off. And then I was like, Well, actually, this is another set. This is the set that I have on currently. Okay, it's like an ombre, like a light ombre kind of set. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.